Okay, I firstly want to apologize for my screen layout. I don't know, I've got some weird tiling manager, so this is about as good as it's going to get. Okay, so as you can see, there's a few other edge cases, but the main gist of the problem we're solving today is that we're given user input for the first tree, and then user input for the second tree. And we want to return 1 if the binary search trees are identical. So it's quite an easy example. So I'm just going to go through it. So the first check we're going to do is if T1 is, if the first tree is null, and the second tree is null. Yeah, so if both trees are empty, it technically means that they're equal, because empty compared to empty, you could say that they're the same. So we're actually going to return 1 here. Similarly, this is just the way I wrote it. It's just very, very dumbed down. I'm not very good at coding. So in this example, we're going to do the exact same thing. If tree 1 is empty, or the other tree is empty, so this is a either or condition. So yeah, like let's think of it as in if the first tree is empty, but then there's some values in the second tree, this does not satisfy this equation, so we're going to return 0. And then yeah, it goes the other way if T2 is empty, but then T1 has some values in it. Obviously they're not going to be the same, so we're going to have to return 0 here. Okay, so here's where we actually compare the values. So yeah, this, you can't see any of the terminal or the headers and stuff like that I have open. But yeah, this is a header file that the question we were given, and then there's obviously C implementation as well. So we have, yeah, this key, which is our value, and then for a binary search tree, we have kind of our left and right directions. So here we want to check if the value in, if the value in that we're looking for in tree 1, which is key, is not equal to the value we're looking to in tree 2. Yeah, if the values are not equal, it means that we cannot return 1. So it means here we must return 2. Yeah, so we have, these are just our basic three kind of conditions, and then now we want to recurse through the function, and then the numbers kind of get sorted through here. Okay, so we want to return equal BST, and then we want to do, this is going to be, this is going to be the left side here, so we want to go T1 to left, comma T2 left. And we also want to return the right side, so return, we'll also want to, return the T1 right, and then T2 right as well. Sorry, this is not, as I said, yeah, I've got some messed up window thing going on here. So you can't see my terminal, but I'm just going to run so save, I'm going to make this, and then /autotest. So we passed, there's only 2 tests for this, but we passed both of them, so yeah, very basic question. Equal BST. Thank you.